Hello guys, hello YouTube. In this video I will be showing you a HTML and CSS video tutorial in which I will be creating an HTML web page in the concept of a effects of broken family, and will be designing it using the CSS. So let's start.
In this part of the video is making the HTML web page. As you can see, I am starting with the header. Inside here is the div top bar and div logo and the navigation for the link to the other web pages. Now for the body. This contains all the information that composes your web page. In here you input the headings, paragraph and images. As you can see, I started my body with the H1 that contains the title of the web page. Now you can also see that I subdivided my H2s and images into the div, so that when I design it using the CSS it will be much easier. For now I'll just input substitutions for the paragraph. Later I will be inputting the real content. Then I will be ending my web page with a footer. Now if you got it right, this is what the web page looks like. That looks dry. Now for the cascading style sheet, or CSS. CSS is a language that describes the style of an HTML document and how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. As you can see, I am working it in order, starting first with the HTML for the background image, then the body for the height and margin. After that is the ones on top, the top bar, logo and navigations. Then for the body of the content, the divs and paragraphs. Actually your work in here are composed a lot of the CSS box model, where you adjust the padding that gives space between the content and the border. Then the border acts like a container, or a box that encloses the content inside it. You can adjust the sizes by inputting the number of pixels. You can change the color of the background, border color of the text by simply inputting the color, or if you want different strokes of the color you can input color codes, which you can just search for it in the internet. You can style the texts in here anything you want by the line spacing, text alignment, font size and text decorations. Texts are styled with some of the text formatting properties. The heading uses the text align, text transform, and color properties. The paragraph is indented, aligned, and the space between characters is specified. Learning to style a web page using cascading style sheet is not hard if you have the determination to learn and discover new things. I admit at first I can tell it's difficult to learn because it's too long and there are a lot of formatting properties. But just entertain yourself and you will realize it is enjoying to do. Maybe the video is too fast for you, or my voice means nonsense. Feel free to pause this video so that you can learn coding this. Now I am about to finish styling the web page, and now let's save it. Now this is what the web page looks like with cascading style sheet. Now that looks nice. Now let us go back to the HTML and let us finish this activity. In here I will be inputting the 4 images that I left blank previously in the video, the image 3, 4, 5 and 6. Also now I will be inputting the real content to the paragraphs. Now that is long, composed of 2 to 3 sentences. Yahee! We are almost done. Now that looks really presentable. Wow! Look at that. That's awesome. Also I will show you the other web page that I created for the navigations. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.